If it were me, I would feel free to say that I was gay, but I'm not gay.
Nikki, please, I am trying to read. What?
If you were queer,
Nikki,
I'd still be here.
try to read this book.
Year after year, because you're dear to me, and I know that you
What?
would accept me too.
Oh, I would.
If I told you today, guess what? I'm gay, but I'm not gay.
There's a fine, fine line